Hello again. The next article is again quite important on the physics point of view, order of magnitude. So what exactly order of magnitude is? To learn that, we'll just go through initially through book and then we will start. The magnitude of any physical quantity can be expressed as A into 10 raised to n, where A is number lies from 0.5 to 5 and n is an integer called order of magnitude. So here n will be considered as what? Order of magnitude. But I will say it is in a simple form, in very simple form, the representation of any quantity or any measurement, any value into the closest power of 10, closest power of 10 for getting proper number of significant digit will call it is its order of magnitude. Now definition wise you may feel that it is somewhat difficult quantity, but when we discuss it is very simple. Now what I want to say is, suppose if I want to write mass of earth, then you should know that mass of earth is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 and 24. This much of kilogram is taken as mass of earth. Every time, like what I did here, I have to count total number of zeros to write that, and sometimes we can make mistakes also. So again, if suppose I want to write mass of electron, that you know very small, so mass of electron is equal to 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, then 91 kilogram. This is mass of electron. And I think you will not be convenient to write such bigger values every time. Then what I can do for mass of earth, I can write in short, it is 6 into 0 were there. So after 6 there are 24 zeros which indicate that 10 has power 24. So representation of the same number. This is the same number. So I can say this is mass of earth in a kilogram. If I want to write mass of electron, then I can say it is better to write like this 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. So when we write any quantity into the closest power of 10, then we call it is order of magnitude. But here I cannot say this is order of magnitude. This is just that we can represent any quantity into the closest power of 10. So what is the order of magnitude and what are the rules? Consider examples to study order of magnitude. Suppose I am having one calculation 15000 centimeter. Now look at there. You have to concentrate on a first digit. When first digit is less than 5, I am repeating. When first digit is less than 5, then decimal point should be shipped after that digit. So it should be look like 1 point then 5. But now how much zero should be there to adjust this? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 digits I have to shift. So to write this, so I can say it will be 1.5 into 10 raised to 5 centimeter. So order of magnitude of that given calculation is 10 raised to 5 centimeter. If suppose I am having another example in which I have written say 8, 4, 5, 0, 0 second. Okay. Now see the first digit. First digit is greater than 5, then you have to shift decimal point before that digit. So it should look like 0.8. Then you can write further number 4, 5, 0, 0. These two zeros don't have proper significance. But how many decimal points you have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 decimal points total you have shifted. So I can say here its order of magnitude is again what? 10 raised to 5. Here you have to focus on the first digit of the given calculation. We can have some more examples to study this. I'll just write some example. So say first example is 345.25. So if I want to write this in terms of 10 raised to something, then first digit is 3. So definitely you have to shift decimal point after 3. So I can say 1, 3.4525. Before decimal point, already this decimal point you have shifted to 2 digits, na? 1 and 2 digits. So its power will be like into 10 to the power 2. So in this calculation, the order of magnitude will be 10 raised to 2. Suppose I am having next example. Say it is 0. Sorry. Say it is 5, 5, 6, 2, 5. This is any number. Suppose this is mass of some object in a kilogram. Now, if I want to write this mass of object in terms of closest power of 10, then I shall consider the first digit. Here, first digit is 5. When first digit is 5 or greater than 5, you have to shift decimal point before that. So, I will write 0.556225. Okay, now altogether how many points we have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points I have shifted, then its order of magnitude will be 10 raised to 5. This will be the order of magnitude of this calculation. Suppose any negative number is there, 0.1230, then it is 243. Then I want to represent this number, suppose it is in a millimeter. This calculation is done in a millimeter. So I want to shift the decimal point. Now first non-zero digit is 2. Then I have to shift the decimal point after 2. So it should be like 2.43. But now you see, after decimal point, I have shifted towards right side by 1, 2, 3 and 4 decimal points. So it should be like 10 to the power minus 4. When you shift towards left, it should be positive. These rules you should follow properly. Suppose here, if I am having another number, 0.0000085. Now, suppose it is something in a micrometer. Then if I want to write the order of magnitude, first non-zero digit is 8 here. So, you have to shift decimal point before 8. So, I have to write it should be 0.85. Okay, now how many points you have shifted to reach till 8? Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 points you have shifted. So, its order of magnitude will be 0.85 into 10 raised to minus 4. I hope you understood this. You can check several examples in a textbook which are given here. Okay, you have to check these examples and you have to complete better you go through some exercise examples in exercise to find order of magnitude of the given quantity, and then we can complete this lesson. I think nothing is actually asked in an example, but practically we have completed this example. This some additional information, definitions of SI unit, that additional information is given here. Second, definition of second, already we have learned this, but you just go through this. It is given in a detail. Okay, I hope you have understood this article too. If Thank you.